Sports mode. Oh, that's not sports mode.
I got the same blanket, bro.
Yeah, dance battle.
First, man.
We got 519 jaw right there. I'm about to show you guys my sticker. We're recording. Say what up.
What's up?
You ready for Baltimore?
Oh yeah.
You ready for Baltimore? Look at my sticker right here. Bro, if you guys see this on a rest stop, tag.
Don't even trip if I put stress. Empty the clip, those are my eyes. Free they go creep. Fuck is a natty. Niggas snitch, you put on a shirt. Watch niggas lurk. I keep a Glock when I'm in church. Sprint through your block, step on the clutch. Hit the boy up, then I reverse. Brody got locked for the top of those 4. Please won't stop, no, I'm a dog, yeah. Gotta keep it black on my waist.
People scattered everywhere. But I don't really give a care. Nope. Some things in life are just unfair. Yeah. I want the rock, the city, I'm rock, and the single makes a beacon in the flame.
Yeah.
Oh, but our shit's not funny, bro. We going to that place.
Think
where
we
the
here,
fish
we
starts
here.
today? Huh?
Yeah, with the bikes and everything. All our bikes are dirty from riding this morning, but damn. Look in there. They got drift trikes. Ooh, look at mine. Yes, sir. Woo. Yeah, man. Ooh. Mine's still going. Look, I'm recording. I'm recording. It's fire. Look at this bike along boulders. Babydblocks. Babydblocks. Be like. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That Swift, man, is so annoying. But he is quiet as hell.
I know. They said, let's get our shit out of here.
You should do some circles. Do some circles.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Come on, Ja.
Oh, damn.
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Ja. We got Mop. We got Mop right there. We got everyone coming through. Oh yeah. Oh! We got Mop recording. Get that recording. Oh. They do. Oh my God.
My boy, your boy.
That was fire.
Go ahead, get some more work. That's right. Let's go, Hassan. Fish man got to my seat. This guy say thank you in the video.
You guys say we in Baltimore, we live with it. It's gonna be like a 3-day weekend. We're gonna turn up for the weekend, come to the event, and yeah.
We out here.
You ready? Yo, man, watch out. Man, watch out. Ready? Keep going. Yeah. Come on, hop on. Hop on. Come on, Ja. Yeah. Patty cake. Oh. Come on, Ja. Yeah, Ja. Damn. Come on. Really? Ooh.
Yo, I'm recording too. I'm recording. Recording, nigga. Go ahead, go. Ja.
Because he can't land it. That's the thing.
Yo, man, just leave him alone. Just leave him alone, man.
Stop running and land it.
Oh, this.
Give me. Wait, I'm gonna do something with you.
All right. God damn.
Ready?
I don't know if I have a I'm looking at the standard size instead, see if we can get a slip in it. I don't have 15. This one only goes up to 14. So,
I think a 14 will work. Yeah, 14 might be too small.
yeah, but
The quarter?
There's a bag of quarters in there.
Arcade with it. Hotel with it.
Gosh pulled that nigga dreadlock.
And I'll hotel with it.
Come on. You want to do some freaky shit?
Let me come too.
Yeah. Chill. Come out. Yo, what you guys was doing there, bro?
That's how we real flip it.
We're having some soap bars.
Yo, that's how you
Do
real
this up and man use the bathroom, bro. That's it.
Man
Nah,
giving out
watch out, I
free
gotta use the
facial.
bathroom. I gotta use the bathroom.